Looking awesome today as per usual. You know, no makeup, no hair, and it's all because I'm doing this kind of massive thing. I had an order for a wedding cake. It was supposed to be last year, then COVID hit, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, I've been having a little nightmares about this one because it's big. It's big. So this is in 2 parts, and actually the only cake part is this part right here. It's actually 3 tiers. This is a double barrel. So we have red velvet, pumpkin, pink champagne. But because she wanted something grand, we also have styrofoam. And basically it's taken me all day to get to this point. The wedding is tomorrow. We have to drive 3 hours to get there, so hopefully I won't be up all night finishing this. By the way, pro tip, we did talk about black frosting the other day. And the big problem with like colored frosting is it can turn your teeth and tongue different colors. So this is actually coated in a very thick coat of just non-colored frosting and a thin coat of black frosting. That way your teeth don't turn blue. Okay, so I'm covered in buttercream, I'm covered in food coloring, it's all over. But this wedding cake is finally done for now. So it's in 2 parts. This is the front of the cake when it's all connected. And you can see we have some really pretty peonies and roses and orchids. Same over here. And then this goes all the way to the back of the cake. So I think it turned out really, really great. And then tomorrow we'll drive it to Wake Forest in 2 pieces and I will assemble the rest on site. Wish me luck. So we made it to the beautiful venue. Kind of looks a little bit like the Ark, we decided, but we're at the Wakefield Barn, which is just awesome. And the cake is assembled. I'm adding some last minute touches. Don't worry about that. That's my husband. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, now we are all done. I can't wait to show you guys. Would you look at this? It is so pretty. Added some dark red to it, which kind of like hides the flaws. Look at that. I mean, even from the back, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, I hope she just absolutely loves it.